Are you dealing with a watermark on your videos like this? And you want to turn this into this? Then pay attention, because most people either use the wrong tools or give up too early. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermarks from your videos using completely free AI tools. No paid software, no complicated editing, and you don't need any experience to follow along. I will show you 3 different tools, step by step, and here's why that matters. Not every tool works perfectly on every video. Sometimes the first one works instantly, sometimes it doesn't, and that's where people get stuck. But if you watch till the end, you will have multiple options ready. So no matter what type of watermark you are dealing with, you will know exactly what to do. So don't skip, don't jump around, just follow step by step. Let's get started. The first tool we are going to use is Remove AI. You can find the link to this tool in the video description below. Once you open the website, you will see a clean and simple interface like this. And the best part is that you don't even need to sign up to use this tool. You can start using it immediately, which already saves you a lot of time compared to most paid tools out there. Now, once you are on the home page, click on the option that says Upload Video and upload your video. Give it a moment to upload. Now this next step is where most people either get a perfect result or completely mess it up. Here in this step, you need to highlight the watermark area using the brush tool. Do not rush this part. First, adjust your brush size and carefully mark only the watermark area. The more accurate you are here, the cleaner your final result will look. If you are lazy here, the output will look bad. Simple as that. Once you have selected the area properly, click on the button that says Remove Watermark. Now the tool will start processing your video. Depending on your file size, it might take a few seconds. While it's working, don't just sit and wait. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, because tools like these keep changing, and I keep sharing updated ones that actually work. Alright, now the video is ready. Here, you can clearly see the watermark is gone, and the video still looks clean. No blur, no weird patches, no distortion. Now just click on the download button and save the video to your device. Now let's move to the second tool. This one is called Magic Eraser, and the link to this tool is also provided in the description. If the first tool didn't give you perfect results, this is where you try next. When you visit the website, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on Upload Video to get started. Then upload your watermarked video. Once your video starts uploading, just wait for a few seconds while the tool prepares everything for editing. After the upload is complete, you will get access to the rectangle, brush, or erasure tool again. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people ruin their results. Here, make sure to increase the brush size a little and carefully select only the watermark area. Take your time and be precise. Once you have highlighted the watermark properly, click on Remove Now. Now the tool will process your video. Give it a moment until the watermark-free video is ready, and now it's done. You can see the watermark has been removed, and the video still looks natural without getting blurry. Now click on the download button and save your video. At this point, you already have 2 working tools. But sometimes, especially with complex or moving watermarks, both tools can struggle a bit, and that's exactly why you need the third one. The third tool we are going to use is called 123 Apps. I will leave the link to this tool in the video description as well. Once you are on the home page, look for the option that says Remove Logo from the video. Once you find it, click on it, and you will land on this interface. Now click on the option that says Choose File and upload your video. After uploading the video, you will need to select the area where the watermark is located. Again, don't rush this step. The cleaner your selection is, the better your result will be. Once you have selected the area properly, click on Apply. Now the tool will process your video and remove the watermark. After that, you can preview the result. If everything looks good, click on Export and download the final video to your device. That's it. Now you have 3 completely free tools that you can use to remove watermarks from your videos. And more importantly, you are not stuck relying on just one tool anymore. If one doesn't work, you already know what to try next. And that's exactly why watching till the end matters. Thanks for watching.